Hey guys, back with another video. My name is Lucille and I speak about all things Etsy, digital products, how to create them, how to sell them, where to sell them, and all the AI software that I use in my entire workflow process. And I just share everything that I know with my community. So if you are someone who don't understand what this whole digital product vibe is all about, what are we, how do you get started, then I would suggest that you click on the subscribe link so that you can be notified when I make new videos. If you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for consistently coming back. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for, I don't know, you guys are listening to me. It's just still very humbling. So thank you for checking out my channel. If you've got any questions, let me know. I just wanted to quickly jump on the camera to give you guys an update with my latest project called the $3 AI image dump, which is the community that you are seeing in front of you. We are growing. Thank you to all of you who have joined. Thank you for all of you who have signed up, who signed for annual packages, who signed for lifetime packages, who signed for the monthly packages. I really, really do appreciate you guys and for supporting my business just in general. Even if you're in a free community of mine and you love what I do, thank you for being part of my journey. Okay, so listen, a couple of days. So I told you guys this was just like a weekend thought, me and ChatGPT. I said, listen, what must I do with all my images that are just piling up, piling up? And sometimes I had to delete so many images because I just ran out of space and I don't like external hard drives. I told you guys before, it's just like I've lost so much personal data that I could not retrieve because the drives, after a while, when you don't use it, it just sort of gets corrupted. I don't know how all of this works, but hard drives, physical, external ones, has just not been working for me. So I just ended up deleting if I don't want to pay for extra cloud space, right? So then I thought, okay, let me just put this community together. People can maybe use it. I can use from the payments to buy some space, which I did. I enlarged my capacity, and now I've got folders upon folders upon folders that I'm still busy working through, which is why I have come up with this idea to try and help you guys with images that I'm no longer using. So no longer using and also not selling it. And it's so beautiful that it's sad that it doesn't see the light of day. Now I know you guys can make use of it, right? I know you can, you know, download them, use them in bundles, give it away to customers, whatever. I really don't care. Honestly, for me, I'm just so happy that someone can use these files and I don't have to delete them to clear up some space. And every day you get a fresh dump, right? So we just started, it's day 4, I think, of this project, right? So you'll see drop 1, that was 4 days ago, drop 3, drop 2, so there's just a confusion maybe here of the labeling, but that's all yours. You click on it, you click on the link, you go to the drive, you get access to everything that's in there, and from this point you can download them, you can make invitations, you can make continue with the stickers, create a batch, consistent batch, and sell it in your digital product store. You can do whatever you want with these designs, and I sleep better at night knowing that I don't have to kill them. Okay, so that's the idea, just so that you guys know where this is coming from, what it is about, what is the cost, and how this all works. Now, the reason I'm jumping on this video, I just wanted to show you and inspire you as one of our members inspired from one of the images in the vault. So that's what Sri is saying, and just this is what Sri came up with. Now Sri V came up with images I would have thrown away, like I would have deleted. So this is what she came up with. So if she can come up with something like this, then you can come up with something similar, right? So $3 a month, $30 a year, $99 founders fee, lifetime access every day. Every weekday I'll be dropping, the list will be growing. So the $99 is you pay once and you never have to pay again, and it will just continue to grow and grow. Now, if I take you to the classroom itself, do not expect long folders and lots of things. This is a very simple community. It's $3. We're not going to do sales calls and webinars and all of that stuff. For that type of support, you've got AI Prompt Heaven and you've got Design to Dollar. So Design to Dollar, we speak about Canva templates if you want to learn how to use Canva as a monetization tool. So Nell's there, she does all our amazing Canva designs. And AI Prompt Heaven is really where you are new and you don't know the prompting game and you really just need help to up your prompting game, where by me building tools that helps you with prompt delivery and also dropping weekly prompts to you, right? So every week you get a fresh batch of prompts that I deliver to you. You don't have to look for it. You'll get it in the school community. You'll get it in the systemy community. We've got you. So the instant start the vault, obviously, when you join, there was 20 when I launched, right? So 20 odd when I launched. I see the numbering is just not numbering well. Yeah, I'll have to sort that out. It's still, and just wanted to show you what's in the draft. So if you're outside and you maybe not thinking this might not be worth it, let me just show you. I'll just go quickly on like different whatever, so that you can see what it is that you can expect inside. I'll just do some random ones. So these are some papers that I created. These are New Year celebrations, Hanukkah, graduation cap, autumn leaves. So I just made some, these are made in Canva. So I'll go to another one. Let's see how Halloween tumblers. I'm just doing some spots so you can see the type of designs that you'll be getting. Let's see what's here. And these are some Halloween ones, right? Tumbler wraps that I've used, and this is the outcome. That's what you can expect, okay? Now, these aren't necessarily upscaled and DPI and quality control. Look how nice this iridescent look and feel is. Look how beautiful this is. Maybe I shouldn't give it to you guys. Maybe I should hold on to it. But I'm just doing some spot checks so that you guys can see the quality of it, right? Da-da-da. So when you enter the first batch, this was here, so that you don't enter and then every day you have to wait like 30 days or 21 days to get 21 bundles. I wanted you guys to start off from a point. Then in addition to that, you'll see draft, right? In addition to that, check here. So this is what $3 is going to give you. I'm still busy building it. 421 images, 79 of 100 received. I'm still busy doing what I want to make this truly valuable to you. This is another batch that I'm working. So that's another 491 images. I'm telling you guys, I've got lots of images. I have got lots of images. In addition, I have got lots of tools. Kittle, Artistry, Midjourney, ChatGPT. I've got Magnific. There's lots of tools that I work on where my history has got like thousands and thousands of images. Think of coloring pages, think of junk journal pages, clip art, digital stickers, right? Everything that I sell myself. This is today's bundle, so this is what you will get today. This is number 5, so this was 13 minutes ago. And just to show you the quality, this is what you can expect. You can use this, you can reuse it, repurpose it, and sell it as your own. No need to mention my name anyway. The point is that I sleep at that night knowing my images is not going to go to waste. Okay, so just to show you the quality of the images. Now, if you've got any questions or if there's something else that I've missed or something that you think that's important, again, drop your questions in the comment section. Let me know if what you think about this concept. It's $3 or $30 a year or $99 once off, never have to pay again. So this is the update. I just wanted to let you guys know that there's more images in the bulk. That's in drafts. You can't see it, but it's going to hit you guys soon. I hope you guys who are in are enjoying it. I'm so happy to see this number growing. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.